First thing, you gotta decide. $10,000 a month is not gonna fall in your lap. You choose one path that has money flowing. Could be business, could be sales, could be digital products. But you choose it, and you commit. Don't waste time chasing 10 things at once. One lane, one mission. Second, you move with speed. Don't wait for perfect. Build, launch, adjust. Sell the product, test the service, post the content. Learn from the mistakes while you're making money. Speed is your friend. Hesitation is your enemy. The faster you move, the faster you grow. Third, you protect your mindset. $10,000 a month requires focus, discipline, and patience. Every day, you act like you're already there. You cut off distractions. You invest back into your craft. And you surround yourself with winners. Stay hungry, stay humble, and keep pushing. Because the money follows the work.